East side. East side bad heavy dear. This man to your face anyway. Car hog accelerate, coffee them. Be a key chop city race with the hell.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. I move from.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with another hit, another smash, another people. And I don't see already what I deal with today. Yeah, man, we have another one from Mr. East Side. Mr. Crocodile Teeth. Yeah, man, who me I talk about? Yeah, man, who me artist, man. Everybody artist, man. And the artist in the gear, man. Yeah, man, me I talk about Skillibeng. Yeah, man. To the guys that don't know, they have another hit track, another banger. Well, that's at least what I think. I haven't heard of this yet, but you don't know. Skilly always come with them bangers, so I said them banger even before I listen to them. So I say, yeah, man, they have another track from Skillibeng, Mr. Eastside himself. A new track him drop. Like what? How long ago was this? A week? 2 weeks? Yeah, entitled Bad Every Day. Yeah, man, I don't know. I've been saving it, you don't know, for a reaction. You see me? I'm listening to it yet. Hopefully he drops a video for this. You see me? So, you know, cause we don't like reacting to videos, but we want to see what go on in the song. You see me? Shout out to I forgot who recommended it. I'll go on right now. But I'm gonna put your name up. I'm gonna put your name up right here. Who recommended me to do this song? Yeah, this is Skillibeng Bad Every Day. I'm gonna check it out and do a reaction to it. Let's see what's going on. Hopefully it's a banger. But if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, I appreciate y'all. You guys are the best. I'm not sure mad love like that. Yo, the activeness, people from all over the world. You see what I'm saying? I appreciate it, you know. You see me? We're going strong over here and we're definitely getting better and better. You see what I'm saying? And surprises are coming soon, so I don't know, just stay tuned because we definitely want to give back to the people that show support to me more. So yes, guys, without further ado, yeah, we're gonna jump right into the channel. This is Skillibeng Bad Every Day. Let's get it. I like the starting. I wonder I'm gonna go with this. I wonder where you're going with this. You see, you have a little, you know what I'm saying? A little eerie sound to it. I wonder where you're going with this.
You're red one.
Yo, East side. East side bad heavy dear. This man to your face anyway. Car hog accelerate, coffee them. Be a key chop city race with the hell. Whoa.
Yeah, man. Bumper clot. Yeah, man, the one a bad man, the title deserving. Bad every day. You know, man, just camp on the thing, man. Like that style. Now they'll take it from the top. You don't expect the one I know. See, you don't expect the calm skill. Alright? Yeah, man, I don't expect the one. I never expect this calm skill, but from the beam, you should expect something calm, don't it? Yeah, man, kind of eerie, man. Yeah, man, do the thing, man.
You're red one.
Yo, East side. East side bad heavy dear. This man to your face anyway. Car hog accelerate, coffee them. Be a key chop city race with the hell.
Side bad every day. What I'm saying? What I'm saying? No, man, pull up with blood clot. People. Hope the video, yeah, the video might be a little bit longer than I like the one of that. Calm.
You're red one.
Here I go now.
Yo, East side. Eastside bad heavy deer. This man to your face anyway.
Yo, Eastside bad every day. This man to your face anyway.
Accelerate, go for them. Be a key chop, city race with the hell. Bad till the day me a dead. Be a submachine gun trample them head. Be a key shot.
Oh God! Bad till me dead. Rise up machine this. Hey! Hey!
See, take a beat and teach them. Rifle whip it out, the crocodile teeth them. See.
Who else say take it and beat and teach them? Bumbo club! Hey! 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 Come in, pull up the one.
Gun trample them head, AK shot. See, take a beat and teach them. Rifle whip it out, the crocodile teeth them. 16 easy if you chop him up. Boy attack me, just shut him up. Murder me nemesis, open them head, fling them off a precipice. And a knife me open them belly with roll with the key wet taller than jelly tree. If you know what's
up, and a knife me open them belly with hands up the ear with taller than jelly tree. Bumbo clan no jelly tree that. Hey!
Come out right pan the main make a day, me we shut you up. Me we chop off them head, me no fuck around. Me no just know if you chase me kill a fucker now.
Hey! Hey! What line? Pull up that.
Right pan the main make a day, me we shut you up. Me we chop off them head, me no fuck around. Me no just know if you chase me kill a fucker now.
Hey, me we chop off on the head, me no fuck around. Only just know if you chase me no fuck around. Bah! 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 Pull up that bumbo.
Right pan the main make a day, me we shut you up. Me we chop off them head, me no fuck around. Me no just know if you chase me kill a fucker now. The mongrel the beer chatting. Yeah man, the pussy them afraid of me. When it strike force out, man no play a wing. East side off his score when the key a kick. This man the dead and the mail them a say away. Yeah man, I saw east side full of bravery. Shoot them up fatally. Bad every day.
Easy, but every bumbo clock. You hear the man? You see me, I think a joke thing. Yeah man, but every day, this man clear face anyway. Hey! I don't know how to think, people. I don't know. Hey! I don't know how to think in the blood clot comment section. You see me? What you think about the track? What you think about the flow? What you think about the beat? You see me? I like the style of Skillibeng. Yeah man, cause the style is mad, me not like. For real, I want to see the fire emoji. You see me? Fire emoji in the blood clot chat. You see me? I don't feel like the song, show the artist some support on his page. You see me? Skillibeng music. You see me? I say, I'll show him some artists over there, some love over there. You see me? Making us a Jambisco sending. You see me? I don't think in the comment section people keep all hate over Yasso. You see me? Every hate, you want to hate over Yasso in my comments. You see me? No go over there so with no hate. No go upon no artist page with no hate. Make me if you don't like it, let me know over Yasso. You see me? I say, yeah man, keep hate over Yasso. I love what deal with. You see me? If you don't like it, go show the artist some support and make you know so Jambisco sending. Bumbo clay.
Your face anyway. Can't accelerate, go for them. Be a key chop, city race with the hell. Bad till the day when me dead. Be a submachine gun trample them head. AK shot. The uptown with the mini 4. I east side road, then where you see the road. Said them cool, but me know say me chillin' more. Me no ramp, me we kill a fool. Is that?
Hey, when I ramp, when I ramp, we hear the blood clot,
Bust my piece as gun release, shot fuck a reach man. Non-believer, all I read, a gun me love, me kill man, dodgy up the street.
Whoa, Skilly, you can't just switch up with things so without warning, brother. Hold on, no man, make your brain catch up with it. Come in, pull it
Said
up.
them cool, but me know say me chillin' more. Me no ramp, me we kill a fool. Is that?
Yeah.
Bust my piece as gun release, shot fuck a reach man. Non-believer, all I read, a gun me love, me kill man, dodgy up the street.
Hold on, Skillibeng, we don't know it.
Bust my piece as gun release, for reach man. Non-believer, all I read, I gun me love, me kill man. Don't tear up the street and beat chat till the gun start running real hot. Fuck up any reason, we no hold the feet, I idiot. Some long gun, me lead.
What's he gun till the gun get real hot? We don't take defeat, but see, I eat it.
Lip and move to lip and fuck with I touch the squeeze, that's how we do it, that's how we kid man. Love it, chica must be villain, me love God deliver. Eastside, Eastside bad heavy deer. This man clear face anyway. Car hog accelerate, go for them. Be a K chop city race with the hell. Yeah man. Bad till the day me a dead. Be a submachine gun trample them head. Be a K shot.
Till the day me a dead. This man clear face anyway. Yo, yeah man, real mad bumbo clad tune. Yo, person recommend this, respect, real blood clad, but hey, the tune are mad. Yeah, me I don't have like a people. Yeah man, real mad tune from Skillibeng man. Yeah man, rate the track. Let me know the thing people. You see me in the chat. Let me know the thing man, cause it's hard man, the artist them go hard and hard. You see me and me love it. Me love how dance all go on right now. You see me? The only thing I want to know is less war, you see me, less clash and more collabs. You see me, more bomba collabs again. Bring it back to the old days. We want the collabs and things. You see me, I say, yeah man people. So, yeah man, Skillibeng artist. You want to burn up road man, you want to burn up road people. Let's not know anything like comment section. You don't know. I'm going to show the artist some love if you like it. You see me? Once again, it's your boy Jambisco. I will see you then I hit and I smash and bang. You see me? Until next time guys, take care of yourself and each other. You see me? Love you guys. No.